Okay, I'd like to produce a video that just shows you some simple things that I do to get leads and traffic, not only for LiveGood, but for several other businesses that complement good old LiveGood, okay? Because I want to live great. I want to have great results, okay? I don't want to just, I don't know, make content and maybe email now and then, do some posts, and then sit like this. And then a week later, a month later, and you're like, okay, when does the money start piling in? Can I get the Lamborghini and the beach house and the trip to Fiji now, and then I'll pay you later? But when's that success coming? All right, I got some bills. Daddy's got to pay the bills. Okay. You know, it's funny. Some people post, and oh my gosh, they have instant results. And then some people try online businesses for 30 years. And how I know this is people join my opportunities just about every day, every week. And I'm not shy. I like to know, the backstory. Like, what have you done? Where you been? Have you been an online guru or someone that's just coming out of retirement trying to make a couple extra bucks? Or do you want to make enough money where you can work out of a room like this where you go and get an insane amount of Legos and Hot Wheels and Kiss memorabilia? And man, somehow you make money and you can't believe it. I'm kind of in that category now. Okay. I'm a firm believer that people join people. The opportunity, whatever you're in, okay, it's probably pretty darn good. That's why you joined it, I hope. Now, if you join startups, I'm not into that. I like to see if the company's doing couple million bucks of sales or income, or that's what they're paying out per month to their affiliates. Then I like to slide right in. I equate it to like a river. I don't know, maybe it's 10, 20 feet wide. And there's a lot of fish, little fishies. You just look, because the river's only like 3-4 feet deep, maybe 3 feet deep. You can see those little fishies. And I just put a net, right? I put a 20-foot net right across the river. And those darn little fishies, they're like, oh, hell no. It's that guy again. He's going to catch my ass and probably want to make me a tuna fish sandwich. And I'm like, oh, yeah, you're going to be in my belly. I'm going to mix it with some mayo and some other cool stuff because I like those tuna fish sandwiches. But I like to go where there's fish hauling ass. And I just kind of put my net out. I don't even like to fish. Fishing takes too long. But if I go fishing, I'm going to have 5 fishing poles. Just stick them right in little holders. Or you see me in the back of a boat, you'll see 5 fishing poles, and I'm the only one fishing, okay? I don't like to wait. I'm impatient. I have ADDD, and I like to earn even before I learn, or vice versa, but only about, I don't know, maybe a couple hours in between. But the way that the internet and affiliate, direct marketing, MLM, whatever you're trying to do, it hauls ass, okay? No one wants to wait. Bills don't wait. They're usually, I'd say every 30 days. That's what my bills are, about every 30 darn days. I got to pay again and pay again, okay? So I don't want to wait. Plus, I'm a little long in the tooth. When I grow this beard out, it's Santa color, okay? I'm born in the 60s. I'm not going to college. I'm not going with you young whippersnappers. City, college, nope. University, hell no. I'm going to sit on my little rock and roll buns right here and press play, and I'm going to watch short videos how to learn how to do something or set something up, okay? And I want to make sure that people at least know who I am, okay? Because like I said, people join people. I'm pretty darn good at this online thing now, okay? I've been doing it a year and a half, right around April of 2025, in a month or two. What is it? Well, today's mid-December. So let's just say 3.5 months is going to be my 2-year anniversary, okay, of doing this online thing. I've done a lot of business. I've been online a lot, but usually I'm on eBay looking at dumb stuff to put on my shelves, looking at cars, eBay Motors, maybe social media, screwing off, having fun. But if you told me a year and a half ago that I'd be successful talking into a webcam or emailing or posting on social media with a purpose, I would not believe it. Because I'm like, no, I just rather post, funny stuff or maybe a fart joke or weird things that I buy, or I'm looking around. I have so many things, but this one's probably my latest. The latest Deadpool, but he has a bad haircut like me, and he's kind of rockered out with his cool shoes and his guitar. Okay, and look, it's a bobblehead. Bobble, bobble, bobble. Look, my head. Yeah. There's a lot of air in my head. Okay, if I go like this, oh my God, helium just, oh my gosh. I could float up into space. No one ever accused me of being the smartest, but I'm street smart. Okay, and I actually prefer that. I don't get my training out of a book and then someone told me something and I pretend that I've done, what I just read or memorized and then sit back like a guru. I don't do that. I'm a storyteller. I like to share exactly what I do. And if something fails, I'll be the first one to do a video saying, you know what, it doesn't look like it's going to work, but let's try something another week, or maybe we'll give it 30 days. Sometimes you got to hang in there, 3 to 6 months. But like I said, the internet hauls ass. If I don't get results within 1 day, 2 days, I might go 7 days. But guys, I can tell right away if something is not getting traction. Because without traction, you don't get no action. All right? And I like to go fast. All right? If you look on these shelves, there's a lot of stuff that's designed to haul buns. Okay? Including my Farrah Fawcett dolls and those sweet girls made out of plastic. Okay? They're fast-talking women. All right? And I like that. They're sassy. So if I post a lot of stuff and no one really looks at my videos, okay, I can tell by, let's say, the view count. Okay. The best part about what I do, I don't need a ton of views to make money. Okay. I need people that need something. Like, let's say someone wants a tuna fish sandwich and they say me fishing. I'm just fishing, or I got a net. And I say in an hour, guys, I'm going to make me a bunch of fishies and I'm going to make 500 tuna fish sandwiches. Someone's like, well, hell, I'll just wait. I'll wait for this guy an hour. I want some fresh tuna fish, okay? People that, let's just say my leads. If you're a lead, if you're kind enough to watch this video and you're searching for an online business or just some advice or gossip or just somebody to recommend something to you that works for them, me, and I can show you what the price is, what it does. And I'm just telling you straight up, as I sit here mid-December, what's today, the 16th of 2024, that what I'm about to show you, it just works. It's working now. It's generating not me millions a month, but the whole opportunity is generating millions a month for people mostly worldwide. I recommend that. You go fishing with me in a river, you're going to have a net, I'm going to have a net. You want to come on my boat and go fishing, you're going to have 5 fishing poles, and so am I. I've got an ego, and I'm insecure. I want attention, and I want to kick ass. I do not want to sit online and just go, gosh, I don't know. Oh, hell, only 1% out of 100 make any money anyway, but I'll just wait for some shiny ball syndrome. Oh, there's an opportunity there. I'll just go join it, and I'll give it my best about 3 days. If it don't work, I'll try to join something else. Okay? I've done a lot of homework on the opportunities that I want you to look into. I've joined them. I've marketed them. I've promoted them. And guess what? They're working. And what I mean by that is they are earning me money. And this is where I go like this with my fingers, like quotation marks. I can't guarantee income. Nobody can really legally on any of these videos. Otherwise, whack! They'll just smack you one, especially on Facebook, TikTok, and good old YouTube. But all I can tell you is I will show you 100% what I do, how I do it, how I set things up. You see the price. Everything's affordable, guys. I don't do high ticket where you got to squeeze your butt cheeks and go, oh gosh, I ain't telling my wife Mabel. Boy, she'll smack my ding-a-ling and I won't be able to poop for a week. Okay? You will not have to do that, sir. And ma'am, Mrs., all right? I just want you happy too. That way you go to bed at night going, okay, this is how much. I got a couple $100. I'm going to try this. Cory's going to email me a lot of information. He makes videos every day. And everything Cory does, there's setup videos and support. Okay? I like that. Because if I'm sleeping or doing crazy stuff. I don't know, picking my nose and lighting it on fire. I want you to be able to go and at least look at setup videos or get a hold of customer support and say, look, it's 3 a.m. Type. And maybe they'll answer you right away. Or maybe you got to wait till business hours, but at least you know there's customer support. And most things I do, they have live rooms. Like let's say you go to Facebook and there's a page where you go to and there's a lot of like-minded people in that exact business where you can type to, hey, I'm stuck, or hey, do you have any ideas how to market this or that? I like that because why customer service, if they're closed, I like when there's hundreds of people, if not thousands, that belong to a website or a Facebook business page that maybe you can rub elbows. Look, I got scars all over from football. You can rub elbows or shake hands and go, hey, what's going on? My name's Cory. I joined. I'm kind of stuck on this setup, or I don't know what this means, but did any of you guys get stuck? And how cool is it if someone goes, oh, God, yeah, everyone gets stuck on that. This is what you do. This is what I recommend. This works for me. Okay? I think that is what you need is support, customer support. You need setup videos, training, maybe some good old just friendly little videos like this. So if you join one of my opportunities, you can go to the playlist on YouTube and go, okay, well, Cory's made about 500 to 1,000, if not 2,000 or 3,000 videos regarding that business. And I'm serious, guys. I do a lot of video a day because I can sit here for 5-10 minutes and boom, upload, do a crappy thumbnail and next. Okay? I've got it down pretty darn good. Because if I storytell or at least tell you about something, and I don't mean fake to make. When I say storytelling, I'm not saying Cinderella or let down your long hair or where's that Goldilocks or maybe that little train that could. I don't really do this. And I'm good at pep talking. Okay, if you guys need a pep talk or a group hug, who doesn't? But I like to just sit, turn my webcam on and go, this is what I do. Please click this. There's a setup video. See if this works for you. Okay, if you like emailing, which most people do because you don't have to do a video and act wacky like I'm doing right now, a lot of people really do enjoy setup videos or live videos. Okay, or a live Zoom where you can sit back and watch. Or maybe it's recorded so you can get off work, make some dinner for the wife or the kids or the hubby or whatnot, okay, and learn. Because, guys, I know you can do it. I am not shy. Do I seem shy? Do you think that I talk to most people that sign up with me in any of my opportunities? And, guys, I have 7 that kick ass, just online and 2 on a street level, okay? I'm not a big believer in one job and, oh, gosh, I got laid off. I better go look for another one. Hell no. You do work with me. You join me in opportunities, guys. I will freak out if you don't want to do other opportunities with me because everything I do complements each other, just like peanut butter, jelly, and bread. Taco shell, taco meat. How about some cheese and salsa, baby? Okay? That's how I do business. Okay, I'm going to do it. Ice cream, hot fudge, whipped cream, cherries on top. Do I need to go on and on to the break of dawn? Okay? Sugar Hill Gang. I'll do some crazy stuff. I always break dance. And I don't even know how, but I know how to do this. Okay? I want you to go to a web page, and it's pretty simple. It's my name, CoryDraper.com. Okay? I have a lot of cool opportunities there, and you know what? I'm going to shrink myself down. All right? I'm in Live Good here. Look at this. I've got 11 signups in the last couple weeks. See that line there? Look at it. All these people just joining, having a great time with me. And thank you, by the way, for joining any of my opportunities, okay? This is CoryDraper.com. It's a free web page you can set up, and I'm going to beg you to set up. Go to Linktree. I want you to set up a website just like this. It's free, and whatever opportunity you're in, you can click something like Live Good. Look, I clicked the Live Good video. Boom. Look at that. People just put in their name and email address, and they get information by a YouTube video already made. Okay, let's go to my #1 moneymaker, Legacy Builders Group. Guess what? People put their email in, they click that button, and guess what? Short little videos, talk about the opportunity, what you get, and of course you can sign up and buy. This is so amazing, guys. I have got this down to a science. My funnel system, okay? hit multiple income funnel, or I own pleasewatchvideo.com. Well, guess what? Please watch the video. Just hit play, hit that red button. All right, let's have some fun. Let's do some biz. Okay, look at this, man. I got more stuff. All right, you want to get 1 to 200 email leads per day, $30 a month. Guys, I'm talking 3,000 to 6,000 people. You're going to have their email address, their name, and you can email them every single day. Every 24 hours, boom, do an email. Wait 24 hours, boom, do another one. Guys, I have 7 accounts with this opportunity. It's $30 a month. I have 7 accounts because I have 7 businesses. Okay, I just scale up. When I go to my lead gen, and this is it here. If you want to look into it, go to Order Leads Today. Order Leads Today, or just go to CoryDraper.com and look, it's right there, the 4th button down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click it and look it. You just go, you watch this YouTube video, and it just talks more in detail about what I just told you. And then boom, you hit this My Lead Gen, and guess what? Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Okay? Everything is designed for you to set up by watching videos. Join, relax, go, okay, I'm getting this, Cory. I'll go to Linktree, maybe get myself a website with my opportunities all there. And then if you want to do a video or a post, or I don't know, even make a business card that says CoryDraper.com, or this one I always have, joincory.com. This goes to my Live Good business on a street level. Here's my card, guys. Check out the video. And if you like Live Good, have any other questions, let me know. But first watch the video, because it explains, it recruits, it does everything. It does like 90% of what I need it to do. And the other 10% is just, most people just want to know, hey, am I going to be there? Here's my arm. Please, miss. Please grab my arm. Let me help you across the street. Or, sir, come on, man. Shake the shake. Shake and bake, baby. Let's go get some chicken and a nice cold drink. Sounds good right now. I'm going to have dinner soon. Okay? But anyway, let's help each other. All right? There's no benefit of just trying to do things yourself. Okay? Not with the internet, not with the groups and training, customer support. Okay? If we all bond together, and our mission is obviously we want to earn money at the end of the day, but let's do business that's captivating, interesting, exciting. People will stop and read your email. They'll maybe scroll on TikTok, Instagram, or maybe that old Facebook and go, man, what is this? Let's click. Watch a short little video. Let people decide. Let you decide. Are you in or out? I'm not going to sit there and just go, okay, do you want to join? Do you want to join? I'm clingy. I'm desperate. I'm broke. Will you join? And then tomorrow I pretend, oh, how's the weather, Bob? All right, how's your family? Okay, do you want to join? You don't have to do that anymore. You don't have to fake and make it. Okay, you don't have to rent like a Lamborghini and go down to the beach and say, man, I'm just living the best life. I'm living a laptop lifestyle. Then it shows them in the sun with a laptop. What kind of jackass has a computer outside anyway? And if there's sweet honeys in a bikini, or there's a hunky guy in a little Speedo going, hey, baby, what's going on? You want to enjoy those sweet little buns. You don't want to be sitting there on a stupid laptop outside in the sun. Okay? I think you get my drift, okay? I have a lot of cool stuff that's working right now, and I want you to just look into it, okay? Everything's affordable. Everything I do, $49 here for the funnel. $49.95 to join Live Good. You want business cards? $25 plus a couple bucks shipping. Vistaprint. You want to go to GoDaddy, buy joincory.com or CoryDraper.com. Guess what? It's about $10, $11 for each domain. And then for free, you just have GoDaddy forward to a page that's already created. People can put their name and email address in it if they'd like. And then on top of that, guess what? They can also join or not join. So anyway, guys, just relax a little bit. We're going to have a good time together, okay? Get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at CoryDraper.com. And I'd love for you to go to the CoryDraper.com and just check things out, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And like I said, I'm not shy, guys. If I can help you out, let's do some chit-chatting, okay? Take care, guys, and thank you for your time. All right, peace and love, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.